Today, we're sharing 12 genius cleaning hacks that will revolutionize your home maintenance routine. From natural cleaners to clever tricks for sparkling windows and spotless surfaces, these easy-to-follow tips will save you time and money. Join us as we explore these innovative solutions for a cleaner home. 1. Vinegar and baking soda magic. Vinegar and baking soda form a dynamic duo for cleaning various areas in your home. Mixing a cup of white vinegar with half a cup of baking soda creates a fizzing cleaning solution that's perfect for clearing clogs and removing stubborn grime. For kitchen sinks, pour the mixture down the drain. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes, then flush with hot water to eliminate odors and residue. This combination can also be used to clean stovetops, showers, and other surfaces. The natural, chemical-free properties make it a safe and eco-friendly alternative to harsh commercial cleaners. 2. Lemon and salt scrub. Lemon and salt offer a natural cleaning solution for stubborn stains on surfaces like cutting boards and kitchen countertops. Start by slicing a lemon in half and sprinkling salt over the stained area. Use the lemon as a scrubber, gently rubbing the surface in circular motions. The acidity of the lemon helps break down stains, while the coarse salt acts as an abrasive to remove dirt and grime. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes, then rinse with water. This method leaves surfaces not only clean and stain-free, but also with a fresh citrus scent. 3. Newspaper for streak-free windows. Achieve sparkling clean windows without streaks using old newspapers instead of paper towels. Simply mix water and vinegar in a spray bottle and apply the solution to your windows. Next, take a sheet of newspaper and wipe down the glass using straight or circular motions. The texture of the newspaper is perfect for polishing windows, as it doesn't leave behind lint or streaks. Repurposing old newspapers for cleaning not only helps the environment by reducing waste, but also gives you crystal-clear windows. For the best results, ensure the paper is not heavily inked to avoid residue. 4. Rubber gloves for pet hair. If you're battling pet hair on your furniture or carpets, rubber gloves can come to the rescue. Slip on a pair of rubber gloves and rub your hands over the affected surfaces. The static charge from the gloves attracts and lifts pet hair, making it easy to gather and remove. Once you've collected the hair, dispose of it and rinse the gloves. This method is a quick and effective way to remove fur without needing a vacuum. It's also versatile and can be used on various fabric and upholstery types. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose old rubber gloves. 5. Pumice stone for toilets. Hard water stains and mineral deposits in your toilet can be an eyesore, but a pumice stone can tackle them effectively. To use a pumice stone, make sure the toilet bowl is wet to prevent scratching. Gently scrub the affected areas with the stone, focusing on stubborn stains. The abrasive nature of the pumice stone helps break down deposits and restore the porcelain's original luster. Be sure to keep the stone and the bowl moist throughout the process to avoid causing any damage. Once finished, flush the toilet and rinse away the debris for a cleaner, fresher-looking bowl. 6. Coffee filter for screens. Coffee filters offer a gentle yet effective way to clean electronic screens like TVs, monitors, and smartphones. Their soft, lint-free texture makes them perfect for removing dust, smudges, and fingerprints without leaving behind scratches or residue. Simply use a dry coffee filter to wipe down the screen, or lightly dampen it with water if necessary for tougher spots. This method provides a safe alternative to traditional cleaning cloths, which may contain abrasive materials. Not only will your screens be spotless, but they'll also be protected from potential damage caused by rougher cleaning tools. 7. DIY all-purpose cleaner. Creating your own all-purpose cleaner is a great way to avoid harsh chemicals and save money. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, and add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant scent. This mixture is effective for cleaning countertops, appliances, and more. Vinegar's natural disinfectant properties work wonders on germs and bacteria, while the essential oils provide a fresh, welcoming aroma. This DIY cleaner is safe to use around your home and family, making it a smart choice for maintaining a clean, healthy living environment. 8. Dryer sheets for dusting. Dryer sheets aren't just for your laundry. They make excellent dusting cloths for various surfaces around your home. The anti-static properties of dryer sheets help repel dust and leave a fresh scent on surfaces like blinds, baseboards, and electronics. Simply take a used dryer sheet and wipe down dusty areas. You'll notice how effectively it picks up dust and grime, leaving surfaces clean and refreshed. Plus, using dryer sheets for dusting is a great way to repurpose them and reduce waste. For best results, use a new sheet if you find your old ones aren't as effective. 9. Aluminum foil for pans. Using aluminum foil to line your pans before cooking is a clever hack that simplifies cleanup. By placing a sheet of foil on your baking sheets or pans, you create a barrier that prevents food from sticking and burning onto the surface. After cooking, simply remove the foil along with any food residue and dispose of it. This hack not only saves you time scrubbing stubborn burnt-on food, but also extends the life of your pans by protecting them from wear and tear. It's an easy and effective way to maintain your kitchen equipment and streamline your cooking process. 10. Ice cubes for carpet dents. Carpet dents caused by heavy furniture can be unsightly, but ice cubes provide an easy solution. Place an ice cube directly on the dent and let it melt. As the water seeps into the carpet fibers, they begin to expand and regain their original shape. Once the area is dry, use a spoon or fork to gently lift the fibers and fluff them back up. This method restores the carpet's appearance without any additional tools or chemicals. It's a quick and effective way to maintain your carpet and keep it looking fresh and smooth, even in high-traffic areas. 11. Essential oils for fresh air. Keep your home smelling fresh and inviting with essential oils. Add a few drops of your favorite oil like lavender, peppermint, or eucalyptus to a spray bottle filled with water. Spritz around your home to neutralize odors and create a calming atmosphere. You can also place cotton balls soaked in essential oils in closets, drawers, or trash bins for continuous freshness. This natural alternative is safe and provides a pleasant aroma, enhancing your living spaces without the need for synthetic air fresheners. 12. Banana peel for silver polish. Give your silverware and jewelry a gleaming shine with a surprising ingredient: banana peel. Rub the inner side of a banana peel over tarnished silver to gently lift dirt and oxidation. The peel's natural enzymes work to polish and restore the shine without causing any damage. Once you've finished polishing, rinse the silver with water and buff with a soft cloth. This hack is an eco-friendly, chemical-free way to keep your silver sparkling and looking like new. And there you have it! 10 genius cleaning hacks to make your home shine. Try them out and see how they can transform your cleaning routine. Which hack was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Happy cleaning!